Hi everyone, my name is Norman. I run the blog nimbleneedles.com, and today I want to show you how to knit two together through the back loop. K2tog TBL, knit two together through the back loop, is an easy left-leaning decrease suitable for beginners. Actually, I would say it's the easiest knitting decrease of them all. So let's show you how to knit it. So I'm going to show you the standard way to knit two stitches together through the back loop first, and then an alternative. Either way, make sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and of course comment with your questions and your feedback. You start by inserting the right needle into the first two stitches on your left needle from right to left into the back part of the loop like so. And then you wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise, and then you pull through. And there's your first decrease. Let's do it one more time. Insert the right needle from right to left into the first two stitches on your left needle, wrap the yarn around counterclockwise, and pull through. Sometimes this can be a bit harder, but usually it isn't. So one last time. Insert, pick the yarn, and pull through. And that's it. That's how you knit two together through the back loop. As you can see, it's really easy. That's because you don't go against the grain, or rather strain of the fabric, like a normal knit two together does. If you are having trouble for whatever reason knitting this decrease, here's an alternative. You slip one stitch, then you knit one stitch through the back loop, and then you pass the slipped stitch over the one you just knitted, and thus will result in a similar decrease. Let's do it one more time. Slip, knit through the back loop, and pass the slip stitch over the one you just knitted. And as you can see, this will result in an identical decrease. This also works if you have to knit three together through the back loop, which can be quite tricky at times. Now, knit two together through the back loop is a left-leaning decrease. Most patterns will actually favor an SSK slip stitch. So let's take a quick look at the differences. As you can see, SSK actually, which is also left-leaning, falls a bit neater. So that's why a lot of garments like sweaters or socks favor SSK. But if you have a lot of twisted stitches, SSK can be a wonderful alternative. Also, like I showed you in my last video, if you're knitting an I-cord binder, then the differences between doing an SSK and knit two together through the back loop are also so tiny, you might as well go for the faster and easier version. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit two together through the back loop. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and of course consider subscribing to my channel if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!